I've realised that as a beginner content creator, I'm really starting to struggle with spending so much more time on consuming content about how to make the perfect YouTube videos, or how to just get better at being a content creator. And I'm pretty sure that this is the case for all beginner content creators, people who are new to doing YouTube. They all really struggle, and you're spending time after time after time watching videos after videos after videos instead of just spending more time creating the actual content. Because I'll find myself wanting to plan an amazing video, and I'll get the idea in my head and I'll start to plan it, and then I'll start watching videos about, I want to add this little bit of editing in, so I'll go on YouTube and find out how to do the editing, and then I'll get wrapped up in another video about how to do thumbnails, how to do titles, how to write the perfect description to get found in search, and it just overwhelms you. And before I know it, I've spent hours watching YouTube video after YouTube video after YouTube video, and it ends up just making us feel like I'm just not capable, or I don't know enough to make the kind of videos that I want to make. So I don't make the video, I end up putting it off, and then I'll go and watch another YouTube video to try and motivate myself, and and it's just an endless cycle and nothing gets done. And I think that that's the case for pretty much all new content creators. If they don't have any experience with making videos and things like that, I think everybody falls into this trap, and that includes myself. So I've come to the realization, watching YouTube over and over again, there's a place just for videos exactly like this, where nothing's complicated about it. I can just grab my camera, grab the microphone, and just start talking about what's on my mind and what I'm struggling with. Because if you're struggling with something, then you can pretty much guarantee that someone else out there is struggling with the exact same issue. And I've been noticing on YouTube over the last 5-6 months probably, that there's these videos that just come up on your feed that don't have a great thumbnail. They don't even have a great title. And the video is something completely unscripted, unedited, and it's just somebody speaking. And some of these videos are just blowing up. And I've been thinking, why am I wasting so much time trying to learn all the techniques and skills to create these attention, the retention sort of editing that goes on, like your Mr. Beast style videos. I think that's sort of a dying thing now. I think people are quite happy to just be intrigued by a simple thumbnail and just listen to what somebody's got to say. I think that this is such a powerful way for anybody to start their content creation journey, because it eliminates all the pain and struggles to get to a certain level for you to have an even small chance of succeeding. People are succeeding making simple videos just like this one. And I think that's the approach that I'm going to start taking now. But I'm going to do it on like a 50-50 basis, because I've spent all week trying to make a video and just getting just pulled back and stressed out about the whole procedure of it, because it takes so long. And then I get to a certain point where I'm not quite sure how to do it, so I'll watch a YouTube video, and then I just find that it's too hard and too difficult, and I just end up putting it on the back burner. I'll do it later, and it's just slowing me down, and it's probably slowing all you guys down as well, because you get that mindset where you think, I just can't do this, I'll just put it off, it's not good, I'm not good enough. When in fact you don't need to be a genius to do this. So my plan and my tactic that I'm going to use is I'm going to try and create a video just like this once a week, where it's simple. I don't have to think about it. I can just put my camera on, put the lights on, and grab my microphone and just speak my mind. And I know somebody out there will relate to whatever I've got on my mind, because everybody's got things that are relatable to other people. And that's the beauty of YouTube. You can share your thoughts and feelings and your interests with other people, because remember, YouTube has like 2.5 billion viewers every day. So somebody out there is going to be interested in what you've got to say. So my new plan and my new tactic is to once do one video just like this one, and then try and work bit by bit on another video where I can sort of bit by bit do little tricks and skills that I don't already know. And then that way I'm not going to feel like I've got so much pressure on my shoulders to make an amazing video with loads of amazing edits and, you know, an amazing long script, and it's just going to take the pressure off, and it'll take the pressure off you as well. So another thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all my social media apps off my phone apart from YouTube. Because don't get me wrong, I know I'm complaining about spending too much time on YouTube trying to learn things, but there is a good thing about that. You know, you need to keep learning, and YouTube's a fantastic platform for everybody to learn new skills on. So I'm still gonna use YouTube, but I'm gonna just delete every other social media because they're just distractions. I'll find myself just flicking through anything, and it totally takes my mind off it, whatever I'm trying to do, especially if I'm sitting on the computer trying to work through an edit on one of my videos, and I get to a bit that I'm struggling with and I can't quite do it, and then I screw it up and I don't know how to fix it, and then I'll just pick my phone up and distract myself for a little bit. Before I know it, I've been distracted for far too long and I've completely lost interest in the video I was making. So I'm also going to delete all of my social media apps. I'm going to keep YouTube, and I'm going to focus on making a video like this once a week, and I'm going to try and work on a better video with more skills, because I do actually want to learn how to become a better content creator. It's not because I feel like I need to make these kind of like higher quality videos. It's just something that I want to learn. It's something that I want to do for myself. I want to be able to do it. I just want to learn it. It's something I'm quite passionate about. I find it fascinating, and I would love to be able to like do it and be good at it. But I've come to the realization that by focusing on being that or wanting that, like it's the be all and end all of having a YouTube channel, is just completely the wrong mindset. You can have anything on YouTube. You know, you can take your dog for a walk. You can strap a camera to the back of your cat so you can see where your cat walks around the streets and see what it gets up to. YouTube can be anything you want, as simple as you want. So yeah, I just thought I'd share my thoughts with you on that, guys, because I'm sure if you're a beginner content creator, you've felt the same sort of thing. My channel, I'm trying to focus now on my YouTube journey and trying to help and educate other new content creators as I'm going, trying to share and spread the knowledge that I'm learning along the way and just share my journey. So if you're interested in that, hit the subscribe button and put the little bell icon on, and you can get to watch my journey as I'm going and growing, hopefully. And yeah, thanks for listening, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.